How can you develop rheumatoid arthritis if you don't have the rheumatoid arthritis antibodies? I'm a rheumatologist. Let's talk about it. RA is a condition where the immune system is confused and attacking the joints and causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. When doctors test for this, they look for two specific antibodies called the RF, rheumatoid factor, and CCP. Most people with rheumatoid arthritis will have these antibodies, but about 20 to 30% of people will not have antibodies and will still have rheumatoid arthritis, and we call this seronegative rheumatoid arthritis. Your immune system has two main branches, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Your innate immune system are like your security guards that are always on patrol and ready to respond immediately. They recognize general threats like people who look suspicious or people carrying weapons. They don't need to know the specific identity of each threat. They just know that it doesn't belong there and they respond immediately. So they patrol your body looking for danger signals. They recognize particular patterns seen in certain types of germs like bacterial cell walls or viral genetic material. They use this using built-in sensors called pattern recognition receptors. When they detect these patterns, they react fast, it causes inflammation, they can eat the invaders, and they can release chemical signals. The adaptive immune system is like an elite detective unit that can recognize very specific criminals and remember them forever and mount a targeted response against them. Imagine a police department that takes fingerprints of criminals, pictures of criminals, and stores them in a large database, and then sends security forces out to find those specific criminals. The first time it encounters a criminal, it can take time to gather evidence and build a case, but if that criminal comes back, then they can respond much faster. Now, the adaptive immune system has two main types of cells, the B cells and the T cells. B cells are like factories that produce antibodies, which are special proteins that are designed to attach to a specific type of germ. It's like a key fitting into only one lock. When the B cells find that one specific target, they multiply and produce millions of copies of that particular antibody. T cells are like military commanders and soldiers. So helper T cells coordinate the immune response and they help B cells produce more antibodies, and killer T cells directly destroy infected cells. In seropositive rheumatoid arthritis, the problem is primarily in the adaptive immune system and the body mistakenly producing antibodies that are attacking the self. In seronegative rheumatoid arthritis, the problem is primarily in the innate immune system. The problem is the security guards rather than those elite detective units.